Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota GT86 versus Honda S2000. We'll explore their unique characteristics and help you decide which sports car best fits your driving style. The GT86 brings modern engineering and a focus on accessible fun, while the S2000 offers a classic, visceral open-top experience. Let's dive into what makes each of these rear-wheel drive machines truly special. The Toyota GT86, known for its superb balance, is a fantastic choice for daily driving and track days. Its 2.0-liter boxer engine, producing around 200 horsepower, delivers power smoothly. The car's low center of gravity and precise steering make it incredibly responsive. Plus, with its modern interior and a small rear seat, it offers a surprising amount of practicality for a sports car. Now, let's talk about the iconic Honda S2000. Its 2.0-liter VTEC engine is a masterpiece, famously revving up to 9,000 RPM. This high-strung motor provides an incredibly engaging and unique power delivery. As a pure roadster, the S2000 offers an unfiltered, open-air driving experience that's hard to replicate. It's a true driver's car, focused on connection and excitement. So, which one is better? If you prioritize modern amenities, a fixed roof, and a car that's easy to live with every day, the GT86 is likely your pick. However, if you crave a more visceral, high-revving, open-top experience and appreciate a future classic, the S2000 is hard to beat. Both offer incredible value and driving pleasure. The best choice truly depends on your personal preferences and what you seek in a sports car. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.